Is your business struggling to manage field jobs or mobile workforce? No worries! Meet the most advanced field service management solution. Introducing GenicTeams, FSM software that lets you manage your field workforce efficiently. It not only helps you to create job, schedule, dispatch, track jobs with ease and utmost efficiency, but also offers to manage service forms online with Esignatures. With GenicTeams, when customer tickets are ordered, all you have to do is to check the availability of your customer and system will suggest you the next available engineer. GenicTeams mobile application push notifications will auto-notify the engineers for the upcoming jobs or any change in the schedules to make sure jobs run smoothly. Once job is done, engineer can capture information, pictures, e-signatures of the customer, and much more before closing the ticket. You can track the progress of jobs in the field, so everyone's in the right place at the right time. Isn't it unbelievably simple and easy to manage your field operations? Keep yourself and your customers happy and updated. So stop stressing and start managing your field operations with GenicTeams.